Indigenous to Asia, the kumquat fruit is the size of a large olive and can be eaten whole with the peel. The peel has been described as being sweet and the flesh sour. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Kumquat essential oil in the 5 ml size. And the common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, topical, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internal. The main benefits of kumquat essential oil is that it freshens the mind, can be used as a surface cleaner, supports cardiovascular, digestive, immune, metabolic, and nervous system health. So there's lots of benefits there. The directions for use are adding 3 to 5 drops to the petal diffuser or 6 to 10 drops to the aroma light diffuser. You can also add 4 drops per 16 ounces of alkaline water, and apple cider vinegar is a combination that I like. You can use about a teaspoon for a 16 ounce to 20 ounce container, and that is really good for your digestive as well as supporting your immune system health. And then you can also work a couple drops into your skincare routine or shampoo for a nice invigorating shower. And so as you can see, these are just some of the uses, but there are a ton of practical ways to use this essential oil. And when in doubt, I just kind of put a few drops on my shower walls and enjoy the aromatherapy as well. And so that's another little bonus way to use it. But that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.